So hello everyone, I am Kusum Kumari and today we will learn the Boolean difference method for calculating the test vectors in VLSI testing. So let's consider an example. So this is our circuit and x1, x2, x3 are the inputs. First, in Boolean difference method, first we will calculate the output equation for the given circuit. So here the output equation given as y is equals to x1 and x2. Here x1 and x2 are connected to the AND gate, so x1 and x2 are in multiplication, plus x3 and product of x2 not x2 bar. So the output equation will be given as x1 x2 plus x3 x2 bar. In Boolean difference method, the formula for given is as df by dx1 dxi is equals to f xi 0 XOR f xi 1. For stuck at 0, formula is given as xi df xi is equals to 1, and for stuck at 1, formula is given as xi bar df xi is equals to 1. So basically these three equations are used for calculating the test vectors. Suppose consider the fault is at x2. So fault is present at x2 and the fault is stuck at 0. Stuck at 0 on line x2. So in this example xi will be taken as the x2. First we will, according to the equation, we will calculate the df dx2. F is the output function, so df dx2 will be f x2 at 0 XOR f x2 at 1. In the output equation, we will first put the x2 0, and so we will get x1 x1 into 0 plus x3 into 1 XOR x2, we will put x2 equals to 1, x1 into 1 plus x3 into 0. This will be 0, this will be 0, so it will be x3 XOR x1, and it can be calculated as x3 x1 bar plus x1 x3 bar. And after that we will calculate for stuck at 0 at x2, we will calculate x2 df dx2 is equals to 1. As I already shown above, for stuck at 0 we will calculate xi df by dxi is equals to 1, and for stuck at 1 we will calculate xi bar df upon dxi is equals to 1. So here x2 and df upon dx2 we calculated as x3 x1 bar plus x1 x3 bar. This can be represented as x1 bar x2 x3 plus x1 x2 x3 bar is equals to 1. for this equation to be 1, we these inputs value will be x1 will be 0, x2 will be 1, x3 has to be 1, and for this x1 has to be 1, x2 has to be 1, and x3 should be 0. So these vectors are 0, 1, 1 and 1, 1, 0. These are the test vectors for the Stuckert voltage at x2. So here we take the another example for calculating the test vectors. So next example is here input value is given as x1, x2, x3 and x4, and the fault is given as x1, that is stuck at 0 fault. So as I told earlier, first we will calculate the output equation. Here the output equation will be, output is represented as z, so the output equation will be z is equals to x1 and x2 are the input of AND gate, so x1 into x2 plus x3 into x4. First we will calculate df upon dx1, which is fx1. First we will take 0, fx2, xn. In the function, first we will put x1 0, so this will be x3 into x4 XOR, and then we will put x2 equals to 1. This will be x2 plus x3 into x4. It can be further solved as x3 into x4, x2 plus x3 into x4 whole bar plus x3 x4 whole bar, x2 plus x3 into x4. It can be further represented as x3 x4 x2 bar into x3 bar plus x4 bar plus x3 bar plus x4 bar, x2 plus x3 plus x4. So on further calculating, we will get x3 into x4 into x2 bar into x3 bar. So x3 into x3 bar will be 0, so 0. Similarly x4 will be multiplied with x4 bar, this will also be 0. In this, x3 bar into x2 plus 0 plus x4 bar into x2 plus 0. So this is the final equation of df upon dx1. x3 bar into x2 plus x4 bar into x2. So the fault is stuck at 0 fault, so x1 into df upon dx1 is equals to 0. This is the condition for stuck at fault, stuck at 0 fault, and for stuck at 1 fault we considered x1 bar df by dx1 bar df upon dx1 is equals to 1. So x1 we put the values, x2 x4 bar is equals to 1. Multiply them, x1 x2 x3 bar plus x1 x2 x4 bar is equals to 1. So for this equation to be 1, x1 should be 1, x2 should be 1 and x3 should be 0. Here x1 should be 1, x2 should be 1 and x4 should be 0. Here the x4 can be taken as don't care and here x3 can be taken as don't care. So the text vector here calculated are test vectors 1, 1, 0 don't care and 1, 1 don't care 0. So this Boolean difference method gave all the test vectors for the circuit. So thank you.